right? It's called Mei Furi. So forward roll. When we rotate it backwards, Shiro, right? You do it over the head, it's Tate, right? So what we're going to do in this technique, this is the most basic one to get you guys moving, okay? What I'm going to do, he's in Chudan Kamai, and I'm this way. I want to back up just a tad for me. There we go. From here, as he comes in with a ski, I'm going to go over the top. I'm going to show you guys how to singe. As soon as it goes over to 45-degree angle, I'm going to step over, and now I'm going to pull. As soon as it goes over, that's when you pull, right? So as it goes, you're going to throw it, and then that's when you pull. Because when you pull, it'll spool up. You're getting that weight going. You got a swordsman coming at you, and as he comes in with a ski, I step off and I throw. And I pull. So he comes in on a block. I'm going to push that up against his throat. I'm going to turn around and then. So as we're here, I'm going to try to step forward. And remember, you got to singe once it gets past that one little spot, right? So, there it is. And then check that down and cut there and then take him down. That's the technique, right? One more time.
Okay, all right.
You got to get the timing or you're going to drill your Chinese partner.
That's the next one.
You're supposed to, when he comes in, when I last pull him in, I'm going to check this down. I'm going to put that on the throat, and then it's also to Garai, and then come in with the ski. Okay? That's the technique. There it is. Ski. I told you guys to step in with your right foot, slide the left foot back. So watch my footwork. I step right, slide the left, and I'm this way, singeing up, and then I'm coming in. So you guys get used to that right foot, you know what I'm saying? This is the same technique with the upper body, kinda. Well, it starts the same, but you're gonna go the opposite side, so the footwork is backwards. So you're actually throwing on the same side rather than cross body, and that makes it a little bit more difficult when working a Kusarigama and you're kind of get to the same side. Instead of the technique going right, left, now the technique is going to be left, right. And when I go over the top on this side, again, the same similar technique, but see that? Watch. See how that kind of happens?
Yeah.
That's what makes it rough. So what you have to do is slide your foot, do it again. You have to slide your foot more than just here when you come through so that you can get that hook around this side and then get the hook. Now from here, you're going to pull the sword out of the hand and then just come in with the ski this way. Right side back. I'm going to shoot at that angle, left, right, as he comes in. Left, right, go over the top and singe. And then I'm going to pull that out of his hand and then come in with a ski.